are going to see the topic of acceleration. Acceleration is nothing but rate of change of velocity. We know that what is velocity? Velocity is nothing but rate of change of displacement. So the rate of change of velocity is known as acceleration. Acceleration is mathematically derived as change in velocity per time. We know that velocity is a vector quantity, so that acceleration is also a vector quantity. The SI unit of acceleration is, for velocity, the SI unit of velocity is meter per second. So the acceleration SI unit is meter per second, so that meter per second square. So the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Let us look upon the slope of velocity time graph. First we know that how to draw the velocity time graph. In velocity time graph, velocity is along the y-axis. And x-axis time. Okay. From seeing that in this graph the velocity increases as per the time increases. Okay. From the slope of this velocity time graph we can count out the value of acceleration. We already know that slope of distance time graph gives the magnitude of speed, as well as the slope of displacement time graph gives the magnitude of velocity, as well as the slope of velocity time graph gives the magnitude of acceleration. The magnitude of acceleration is equal to 0 times sometimes. Okay, let us look upon some example. First condition is the car at rest. If the car is at rest motion, means the acceleration is equal to 0. How it means the change of the position is 0. So if the change in position 0 means there is no change in velocity also. The magnitude of acceleration also 0. If the body is at rest means the acceleration become 0. Let's see the second example. If the car is in uniform motion, we know that what is uniform motion? Uniform motion is a body said to be in uniform if it covers the equal distance in equal time taken. If the body covers equal interval time in equal distance means a car is in uniform motion. So what is acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but change of velocity dv by dt. If the object is in uniform motion means the change in velocity remains same for the all moment. So the body is moving in a constant velocity. If the body moves in constant velocity means the acceleration of the body should be 0. Okay. Now we see the two cases. In first case, if the body is at rest means the acceleration is 0. So in second condition, if the body moves in uniform motion means the body have constant velocity, so that the magnitude of acceleration should be 0. That's all.